In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce Easy 2026 Guide. We'll start right from your HubSpot home screen. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and you can see the main dashboard. If you have multiple accounts, it's a good idea to confirm you're in the right one before you proceed, since the integration will be installed into the account you're currently viewing. Next, look to the top navigation bar for the Marketplace icon. It usually looks like a small store or grid. This is where HubSpot keeps all of its approved apps and integrations. Click that icon to open the App Marketplace menu. From the menu, select the HubSpot Marketplace option. This takes you to the central catalog, where you can browse or search for the tools you want to add. The Marketplace is organized and searchable, so even if your layout looks a little different, you'll know you're in the right place if you see a search bar and app listings. In the search bar, type Salesforce. Keep it simple. Just the product name is enough. Press Enter to see the results. If your team uses a sandbox in Salesforce, make a mental note now. You'll want to pay attention to environment choices during the setup flow later. For now, we're just locating the correct listing. Find the official Salesforce app in the results and click it. You're looking for the listing published by HubSpot, with a clear description of the Salesforce integration. On this page, take a moment to review the overview, data sync notes, and any plan requirements. This is also a good time to skim the permissions section so there are no surprises. Many organizations require that a HubSpot super admin or someone with App Marketplace access initiate the install, and your Salesforce side may require admin approval as well. When you're ready, click Install. HubSpot will begin the process of adding the Salesforce integration to your portal. Depending on your organization's policies, you might be prompted to confirm permissions or be guided to an authorization screen. If you see a prompt that mentions production or sandbox, choose the environment that matches your Salesforce setup. If you don't have the necessary access, pause here and coordinate with your admin so the install can be completed without errors. That's it for the installation from the Marketplace. You've successfully initiated the HubSpot Salesforce connection. After this, HubSpot will guide you through any remaining steps to finalize the connection and configure your preferences, such as object sync rules and field mappings. Take your time with those options to align with your team's process, and you'll be set for a smooth, reliable sync between your marketing,